Can bedbugs live in a Tempurpedic mattress? If you're wondering whether bedbugs can make themselves at home in a Tempurpedic mattress, you're not alone. Let's break it down and find out the answer. First, it's important to know that bedbugs are nocturnal creatures that feed on blood. They can be found in various places, including beds, couches, and even clothing. However, when it comes to Tempurpedic mattresses, the situation is a bit different. Tempurpedic mattresses are made of a special type of foam that adapts to body weight. This foam is quite dense and doesn't provide the kind of crevices and folds that bedbugs typically look for. As a result, it's uncommon for bedbugs to burrow into a Tempurpedic mattress. The foam essentially compresses and crushes them under the weight of the body. But here's the thing. While the mattress itself might be resistant, bedbugs can still be found in other parts of your bed. They love to hide in pillowcases, bed frames, headboards, and even mattress toppers. So even if the mattress is bedbug resistant, the surrounding areas are still vulnerable. To identify bedbugs, look for signs such as reddish-brown bugs, itchy body parts, tiny fecal spots, shed skin, and blood spots under your mattress or on your sheets. If you're looking to prevent bedbugs, using a zipped mattress cover can be very effective. Bedbugs don't survive well in compact places without food, so this can help keep them away. Additionally, using diatomaceous earth on your foam bed can be a good solution, as it's a dry substance that can help eliminate bedbugs. In summary, while bedbugs are unlikely to live inside a Tempurpedic mattress due to its dense foam, they can still infest other parts of your bed. Taking preventive measures like using mattress covers and keeping your bedding clean can go a long way in keeping these pests at bay. If you do find yourself dealing with a bedbug infestation, it might be time to call in professional help. Pest control services can use treatments like heat to effectively kill the bugs without damaging your mattress. So, while a Tempurpedic mattress is a good choice for resisting bedbugs, it's not a foolproof solution. Keeping a vigilant eye on your entire bed setup is key to a bedbug-free sleep.